This is the Bead Head Caddis Larva, and it's one of the best flies for beginner tiers. To start, grab a scud hook and place it upside down in your vise. This makes adding a bead much easier. Then flip the hook over and secure it tightly. Now grab some olive tying thread and tie in just behind the bead, continuing well into the bend of the hook before snipping the excess free. Next, tie in some small gold tinsel and then set it aside. Then grab some dubbing wax. Apply a small amount of wax to your thread before selecting a dubbing color of your choice. Here, I'm using an olive hare's ear. Now begin building up a small dubbing noodle, and remember to go sparingly. You can always add more. The goal is to build up a nice body transition all the way up to the bead. Now begin wrapping your tinsel in open spirals until you reach the bead. Then, capture the tinsel and snip the excess free. Finally, add a 3 to 4 turn whip finish. Snip your tying thread, and then brush out your fly for some extra bugginess. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing for more. Thanks for watching.